Don't let Max see. Sasha absolutely believes in ghosts, 110%. She is all in. Ghosts, crystal balls, witches and Sabbaths, anything, fortune telling, anything even remotely cult or mysterious. Share ghost stories tonight and not become a ghost. 77. Finally, he's 80 years old. Mr. Willis finally decides to hang it up. He's going to retire. They throw him a huge retirement party down on the ground floor. Everybody is there. This is the kind of soiree they just do not do. I'm going to go that way or this way. We're just being sneaky. What you'll see here, you want to talk about professional tour guide moves. He gives it a finger and says, you better stop talking smack about our daddy. Because if you don't, Papa's going to get you. And Annalie, professional as she is, she just kind of straightens her collar and says, hey, would you like any fries with that? Can I supersize it? Classic McDonald's. And Annalie's sister just kind of snarls and she says, Papa is gonna get you. And he gets up in people's faces and he tells anybody who would listen this story. That woman is no good. It's their voice. 100% historically accurate, check it. The things she does in the woods at night. These dances, like dark rituals. And, I've been looking in her bedroom window. Last time I saw him, he had a mask on and he said he had a mask on. I thought it was cool. They do that everywhere now. They had a hard time filling up that space. And for the entire 1930s, there are only a few tenants in the whole building.